矮吗？这样差不多，你这样往后退一点吧。这边是什么牌子？这样差不多。视频要给他们看吗？
视频是对啊。他们要走到这里来，然后展示吗？
就站在这边嘛，这样子会好一点。他们人不要入镜吗？
入镜啊？
入镜要在那里勒。那这样转过来手。
那他们说我们展示没？
就是有个人要在这里嘛。
可以的。等一下，我电脑上打开看一下有没有。你们俩去吧，5点半开始了哦。
什么哪个？不一样吗？字不一样。不需要follow me。哇，它这好凉啊！
它这个空调很冷静。
这边是
气氛值上线，小辫子都编起来了。刚好适合你今天的发型。它这里有洗手间啊。你看一下，开始了吗？
开始了吗？真的啊？
不要这么紧张。
别这样。
前面可以截掉的吗？
我搞不太能读文字。
那边的电脑都可以听到你们的声音了。
不要这么紧张。
今天跟他们介绍一下我。跟他们介绍一下我们吧。
不是可以延迟？
没有啊，直播啊。
已经开始了。
一到时间就要开始了。
开始了，对。
我都还没读完嘞。
没事，开始吧，没关系。
先介绍吧。
这不是我。
直播。
开始了。
YouTube 已经开始了呀。
Hello everyone. It's so nice to see you. Welcome to Good Plus live show. This is Mona, M-O-N-A. This is Lin. Yes, welcome Lin. And our today's live show is about all kinds of disposable medical products making machine. And it's nowadays the popular products, right? And as we all know, these products above are played an important role in the recent war against the epidemic. So, how these products are produced?
Yes, due to the COVID-19 epidemic, we have to wear the face masks every day to keep our safe.
So our friends in our live broadcast may very curious about how these products are produced. So, what's this?
Yes, this is what we Good Plus to do for you. We are supply and manufacturer who have more than 20 years experience in making personal protective equipment machinery.
Yes, for example, which machine?
For example, its most popular is the face mask making machine.
Yes.
And the shoe cover making machine. And head cup making machine. And the plastic
Plastic glove.
你们可以戴起来。
对，手都可以带起来。
可以带起来，
Plastic
就所有的都可以带起来。
doll making machines
要不拿一个，这个拿一个下来，然后边展示边带
and。so on many other disposable products machinery.
Yes, these products are more and more important in our daily life and occupy a larger and larger market.
Yes, in the past 2020, we have supplied nearly 1,500 sets of these production machines to our customers overseas.
So if you feel any interest about this machine, just leave a message to us. And also, it's very important. Do not forget to follow us, and give us like, so we can show you more details. Maybe in our next live broadcast, we will go to our factory to show the machine to you.
Yes. Now, so today let's start with our machine. The first machine we will talk about our face mask machine, and we have different types of face mask machine. And the first one is the inner type face mask machine. This is a sample. The air loop is inwards, so that's why its name came from. Now we just show you.
点不出来，
是不是这样？
可能就是这样子，可能就是这样子。
The video is okay.
Now the video is ready about the machine operation.
可以边看视频边解说。
And the structure is first is the mask blank making machine. This is the fitting parts. Like.
Can you see our video clearly?
它其实都有 YouTube， 基本上客户都有下载。
And this machine can be watched in our YouTube channel, named Good Plus. And this is the mask blank, sealed and forming. This is mask forming, and this is part is finished mask blank to be transferred to the air loop station.
我感觉它还会掉，还会掉。
那就拿下来吧。
Now let's go to the air loop welding.
等一下这个用完镜头转一下。
First, this inner type place
你就这里暂停，然后给它
making
解释一
machine.
下。
First step is to make air loop welding. That's just the air loop welding. And the next step is this no woven strip welding.
Similar to the inner type face mask. Similar to the inner type face mask, we also have the outside type face mask making machine.
Yes.
And yes,
It's very
and here's our machine video
obvious
to show its working process. And in fact,
yes, it's a
in
very
fact, these two machines are basically the same, and we can see in our video you can see in our video the material fitting is same, and the position to put our ear loop is same. And then cut this part, cut and seal the ear loop into our face mask. Okay, now why we need to use to fix the face mask? Look at Mona. Yes, we know. So if we fix nose well into our face mask, so when we wear a face mask, just to pinch the mask, pinch the position of our nose, so the nose well will bend into the shape of our nose, so it will improve the tightness of our face mask well.
It will fit to our
face, yes. And let's go next part. And it's also the blend seal and the cut. So from this part we can get a fully blank face mask blank without ear loop, and it's a two output face mask machine or video, so we can get two face masks at the same time. And the only difference with from the inner type face mask is that the outer type face mask do not need to cover another flap or an oven, and the direction of our ear loop is outward. So next is collecting parts. We can collect the face mask at finally.
okay.
Okay, now next machine is which machine?
So besides this is two types, we also have another one model. It's the
servo type.
The servo type mask making machine. It has a thin structure with last two face masks, but it is a single output. And what's the difference with other machine? This is the last machine is it adopts a servo motor to weld the air loop. And the company with ultrasonic, it can work fast. Just to show is this touch screen, its speed can be 109 pieces per minute, compared to the common single out face mask machine. It's very fast, and it can be compared to the double.
它现在可以开到130。
And now, based on our development, its speed can reach 130 30 pieces per minute. It's very fast, right? And
yes.
Can make a very high production and only use this single out face mask machine. It's very easy operating.
Okay.
Okay, the next one.
Okay, the flat face mask part is over now. And the next, in addition to all kinds of flat type face masks, we also provide flat type face mask. We also provide the machine to produce the N95 face mask. And here's also a video to show you how to make this mask. And we can see the half. And then this part is for the side ceiling. Just side ceiling, this part. This part is for the side ceiling.
Okay.
and with accurate die
cutting to make the finished mask.
and go more nice. And also this part. Okay, next final is the collecting part with auto drop and or auto counting, so we can get our finished products. And this machine also have a waste fan
Waste film
collection function, so it can make our factory more clean.
Okay, now we just finished the
mask part.
So we just turn to the other disposal products machine. So first we just go to see the disposal shoe cover. It's this plastic shoe cover. This is our finished samples.
要不要穿一下？穿着鞋子吗？穿着鞋子过来这里吧。
好这个样子
We just we wear just like to cover our shoes and this one is the corner sealed.
This is with the non-woven band seal to seal stronger.
Yeah, make the shoe stronger. To like this.
Okay.
Now we just turn to the computer to show you the working process in the plastic.
外面还在放吗？
没关系。This machine is use the roller and the hot heating to form the plastic stick and the elastic band with will be sealed by the edge. And this is the heating part to make plastic thick. And this is folding and this is the heating. And the other one is output. And there is a cut to cut each plastic shoe covers. This is our it will make just like this one. This is and this one is without the no woven sealed types.
接下来是什么机器啊？
So next one is about
Next part is about the novel shoe cover making machine. So let's go to our novel shoe cover making machine. And this machine, we can see the video in our computer. We can see at the first part, the paper material fitting part, there will be it's equipped with a sensor. So when there is not enough material, our machine will allow and stop through. So we'll greatly introduce the quality of our machine. This part is to weld our elastic into our shoe cover, and for novel shoe cover making machine, this part will adopt ultrasonic welding, and the elastic we will use the double strip elastic. So this type of elastic will make our shoe cover more sealing more firm and useful. And this, can we see clearly this part is similar to our N95 mask making machine. And this part also, we also need a triangle iron to help us to fold our material in half. So next part, you can see this is a welding part, and then this is our elastic roller to run our machine, and this part we have finished the folding now, and then through our this part. This part is for the side seal and the cutting, and finally we can get the novel shoe cover. And it's really a high-speed machine. Its speed can reach 130 to 150 per minute. So we can get very many products at one day.
And this is shoe cover can we used in daily life, like home, hospital, and some hotels, and many areas. So it's very popular and common in our daily life. So next, it's also about it's a cover. It's about the boot cover.
No oven boot cover.
No oven boot cover.
Yes,
Try. So just so that you.
其实我穿裙子多好，不是我。
小侄子在外面，要不叫他过来穿？
So this type no woven boots is very
放低一点，我不好拍。
is used limited no woven, so it can be used in hospital and some medical events and some chemical places. So I should wear this dress.
穿上去，穿上去。拿个凳子。Okay.
And besides this, we have a common.
可以的。还有什么？
Besides this, we have a common no woven boots making.
穿起来吧。
再绑下来吧。
对，再往后绑。
这个转一下。
转一圈，把两根的，我来。哎，这只有一根吗？
Okay.
再转过来，往前，绑前面。对。
As well, this is what this type of boots using. It can use.
等一下，转过来。
再转90度。
好了。
It can use hospital, hotel, and home. And this type is used limited no woven. It also can make this type. So now.
Yes, it's widely used in our daily life and hospital. And now let's show you the video so we can know how to make this woven boot cover making machine with woven boot cover.
The first is also the fitting part. Fitting part. And Now this is ultrasonic to seal the edge like this is to seal this is both edge.
It's a big ultrasonic seal.
Yes, and this is the die. It's a die cutting to make a shape,
make the
so we
shapes,
can
yeah.
pick the finished product like this.
Although the shape can be customized, so if you have any design, you can send us so we can do
So
the
we
machine
can
for you.
see the finished product when
Okay.
we cut it. Okay. The next is about the plastic one.
Cover, yes. They have introduced the no-woven boot cover making machine for us, and so now we will introduce another similar machine, the plastic boot cover making machine, and this part will more simple to lay and just through the material fitting and elastic welding and big die cutting, big shape die cutting, so we can get the finished products. Now let my colleague just show you the products.
我穿起来。
Its size, its shape also can be customized, and now it shows
A little bit.
a little big.
Okay.
We also prepared a video to show you how to
It's a little
produce
different
this.
with
It's
the-
produced by our plastic boots cover making machine, and we can see
it's a little bit different with
yes.
the non-woven pipes.
This machine, we can see this machine. This part is elastic welding parts, and then elastic welding parts. This part, and then this part is for the no-woven side seal, so it can make our finished products more firm and strong. And this part is a side seal to form into our finished product shape. Then our technician is show how to use this plastic boot cover. You can see it's really fun. And now it's shown like this. This is also very important in our daily life and can make our life more convenient.
Yes, and next the shoe cover part is finished. So that's also we have to go to the head cover.
Yes, we can wear.
This is our head cap named doctor cap like this, and this machine can make two types. This is with the elastic band, and it can loose and tight.
Okay.
Effective. And
We
this
can
is
show each other.
Okay.
Just like this.
Okay, turn around.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. Okay, and the next one is a tie cap. We are able to wear again. Yeah.
Okay, it's also Mona.
Yeah, it's Dr. Mona now.
Yes. Are you feel good now?
Okay, nicely, very good.
and so we show you, and because this is a non-woven cap, it will use the ultrasonic to seal. And this has a two-step to seal.
所以最后一个，
This is just and the first part is always the fitting part. And if we have the elastic option, elastic will be sealed by here. The actual woven will be folded and to be sealed by the ultrasonic here. The woven will be folded and sealed, so the elastic can be into here together with the woven. And this is a folding part. We can to make a doctor cap forming and get a shape as this. And this part is here sealing. The edge will be sealed like this by ultrasonic. And here the finished product, the products will be felted, and this has a ultrasonic part to get a second sealed about here. This edge sealed. And finally, there has a die cutting to cut the finished products. You can see in the video, the finished product will be cut in the totally no woven, and we can get the finished products like this. Okay, this is one type of our bowfund cap making machine. And next one will be more normal in our daily life.
Yes. So they have shared the daughter cap, and we will show another cap, and it's called a disposable cap making machine, and also we call it shoe cover making machine, and yes, it's shown like this.
Very right.
Yes, it's more common, right? And we also have a video to show its working process.
Also, we have a plastic part.
Yes.
We can use in hotel.
This machine is very useful because
This machine is very useful when we take a shower to keep the water away, or we do some work to keep some dust also. So it's widely used in home, hospital, hotel, and more areas.
yes. Okay, now video is ready, and we can see this part. This part is a paper feeding, material feeding part, and this is elastic. And now go to the elastic welding part, and one for each side. And it's the shaping part. And now it's the side seal parts, and the cutting, and then our finished product is okay. And this part, this machine is the most popular machine in our factory now, because it's beautiful.
Look at it.
Yes, look at Mona. This machine is the most popular machine in our factory, and because it's a high-speed machine, its speed can reach 118 to 200 per minute, so we can get many products even in 1 minute. And this machine is very multifunction. We can produce plastic shower cup and the Novan. Where's Novan cap? Novan cap. Just on one machine. And for For Noven shower cap, it adopts ultrasonic welding, and for elastic cap, it adopts heat forming. So it's very popular now in my factory. If you feel any interest about this machine, just leave a message to us, and we will share more details.
Yes, this is a cap part. Next is our hand part. This hand we made is a plastic glove. This is made of, this material is CPE, and this one is PE, which are the most used in our, we can use in our machines.
Will we eat chicken or some other fried
Yes,
food?
this can use when we at home, factory, some fast food. It can have a widely use. And for the machine operation, this machine is very easy. And okay, just to show you. The first is the filling part, and the shaping part, it will divide into two parts. This is top part and the bottom part, because the glove have two sides. So and the mold will be pressed and cut the shape, and just like the mold, as we can see, this is mold. Press and will cut the shape.
And what is the speed of the machine?
The speed can about 150 to
400 per minute.
400.
Yeah, we have two layers.
One layer. So yes, one layer is 200 pieces.
Yes,
So
with
we
two
can we have two layers. So as 400 pieces per minute. And this is the
cutting parts.
cutting part. The steel part together makes a go together. And will the finished product like this, but it's without the tear line equipment. So we need to tear the glove by manual. So we have tear line equipment can connect with the glove making machine. So it can be automatic line, production line to make the finishing go like this.
Okay, next one.
The next one is we use for
This one is desktop cover making machine. We can its finished product. It's really similar to the shower cap making machine, right? And its machine is also very similar to our shower cap making machine. Let's do top cover. Yeah, this one. It's our Good Plus logo. So if you want to buy machine, do not forget to contact Good Plus. And we can see, though it's very similar to our shower cap making machine, but its frame is more bigger. And so we need to use this. Wait a minute. So we need loading with pneumatic. So we can feed very heavy and very big material. And then just like we mentioned before, it's through the elastic welding. This part is for elastic welding part, and because it's the plastic base top making machine, so this part is use the heat forming type, and this part is the shaping part. And then after the side cutting, side sealing and cutting, so we can get the finished product. Is really a big one. Yes. So it can. It's widely used in the hotel and the spa and other part. And it's now it's very popular in the Malaysian markets now. So
Okay.
welcome to Kenya's.
Yeah, welcome to contact us all the times.
Okay. Besides this, we have other products just like this. It's our
That's it.
arm sleeve.
Yeah, you can wear it. Well,
We just wear to show you.
we have non-woven and plastic
Plastic
materials. Yeah.
Can, if we have the clothes have a space, it can help to keep the dust and don't make our clothes dirty.
Yeah, it's widely used in the clean room.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
what we are going to tell next? 就不要看了，就直接讲，讲完了，到时候反正机器上还要讲。
那把这个特别深。
And besides, we have for the anti-dust, we also have like this one.
Yes.
It's an anti-dust cover. It can use in the cover.
Yeah, it can used to protect the wheels from the dust. The new one, normally used in, also used to cover the pot,
Yes.
which in the kitchen we can keep the glass from getting dust or getting dirty.
And
Okay.
this size can be customized because
Yeah, this can be customized as well about the length and the width. No problem. Okay, so
Now I want
anything
to
new?
introduce a new product in our factory, and it's called disposable pants making machine.
Yeah.
And it's through the material feeding and elastic sealing, and then the button
Ultrasonic sealing. Yeah.
and the cutting, and then the side cutting, so we can get this one. Its size also can be customized, and maybe we can use it in some hotel and spa. We go to beach. Yes, yes. So it's our new product, new machine. So if you feel any interest, just to call us, and we will share more detail to you. And
Okay.
and besides
Okay, next.
we have
now it's our final machine.
it's an isolation
Clothes, yes, it's isolation clothes. Yeah, because of the COVID-19, that we have a lot of demands on the hygiene
It's
products.
so big.
Not only masks, but also other products. You can see, yeah. This is the two-step making machine. One is to making the ground, one is to making the sleeves, and then we sew them together manually. Yeah. 来这里吧。Okay. Oh, it's too big. Mona, you are too small.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start from top to bottom. Let's see. Okay.
and it can combine with laminated boots cover.
Okay, this is tie type. You can tie here. Okay, and this is the sleeve. Okay. Yes. Oh, where's your little arm? Come. Yeah. This is a disposable product, so we can see this finished lines is very nice and it's very tight. It can protect you very well. Okay, done.
So we finished all the information of our today's live broadcast, and we still developing our technology all the time. So maybe in the future we will produce more new machine according to your needs. So if you feel any interest about our machine, we mentioned about, you can leave message or call us directly. We will send you more details according to your needs. And do not forget, all the machine running video have upgraded to our YouTube channel. If you feel any interest, just welcome to see them. And today is over. See you next time. Bye.
1 second. So I also want to have a notice for the next live broadcast. Maybe we want to see our machines later. So maybe next week we will clean our factory and make a live broadcast with you. So see you next time in our factory. See you. Bye.